Mohammaed Barnawi from grade 8A, and today I'm going to talk about the pendulum. What is a pendulum? A pendulum is a weight suspended from a pivot so that it can swing freely. When a pendulum is displaced sideways from its resting equilibrium position, it is subjected to a restoring force due to gravity that will accelerate it back toward the equilibrium position. Engineers know that understanding the physics of how pendulums behave is an important step towards understanding motion, gravity, interior, and centripetal force. When a pendulum swings to and from, its energy is constantly changing from potential energy to kinetic energy and then back again from potential energy to kinetic energy. This energy is gradually transferred to heat by friction with air. This heat is low-grade energy and we cannot make use of it. All energy eventually becomes low-grade. Examples of a pendulum. As we said in the first slide, the pendulum swings like a swing in these three photos in front of you.